Hello guys, we are back with the next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2016 set 2 guys. Okay, so first of all, the question is having some repetitions, so let me remove them guys. Okay, similarly here 0 is repeated, here 9 is repeated, right? Yes. Okay, so the question is a complete binary min heap is made by including the integers from 1 to 1023. So in total, how many elements are there guys? You can say 1024 elements are there. Can you say that? No, it is starting from 1 to 1024. So let us take an example. So if there are elements from 1 to 4, how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in total there are 4 only. So here it is 1024 elements exactly, right? Yes, sorry, 1023, my bad, 1023 elements. So it is 1 to 4 means we are having 1 2 3 4. So in total 4. Here it is 1023 elements are there. Okay, exactly once. So there is no repetition or anything. Okay, the depth of a node in the heap is the length of the path from the root of the heap, okay, to the node. Okay, so the height is nothing but the normal height which we assume, the longest path guys, in simple words. Okay, thus the root is at depth 0. Okay, so the maximum depth at which integer 9 can appear is, okay, so now the question is we are in search of integer 9 guys. So how far can integer 9 will go? So basically we are starting from 1, right? So what type of heap it is? It is a min heap. Okay, so for our easy understanding, let me place this 9 in the farthest left guys. So I'll be writing in this way, like left skewed or right skewed. So we are going to fill some other elements on this side, so there is no issue in that. So let us start 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have placed 8, so similarly I should place 9 also, right? Yes, 9. Okay, so I have placed 9 in its location, but one thing which you should remember is it is a max heap guys. So indirectly you should fill all the other slots also. Basically here you cannot go directly in this way, you should fill all these slots also. Okay, so if you observe carefully, can we fill these slots guys? Because we are having from 1 0 2 3, right? So after 9 start filling from 10 11, like that you can completely fill this part, right? Yes. So now the height of the tree, what is the height of the tree guys? It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So for now the height of the tree is 8. So one more thing which you should remember is above this line all the elements should be filled, right? So we need to count how many elements will be above it. That's also important, right? Yes. Okay, so indirectly in this level how many values will be there guys? So there will be only a single value. In this level 2 values, 4, 8. You can apply with the formulas also, but I approach in this way: 16, 32, 64, 128. So what is the total sum? Okay, so if you recall, the total sum will be 253 guys at this situation. You can apply the formula also, it's your wish. So the formula is 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. So that's the formula. By applying that you will be getting 253. That's just nothing but in this line you will have 254. 254 minus 1 is 253, right? Yes. Okay, sorry, 256, right? So it will be 255. Okay, yes. So yes, okay, so by basically with this approach you can say that we are having 1024 elements. Okay, so they are more than enough to fill this upper part, right? Yes. So with this conclusion you can say 9 can go at max up to 8th height guys. So if it is on the left skewed way, it can go up to 8 height. Okay, even if it is on the right skewed way, it can go up to max 8 only. That's it. Okay, yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So how exactly we have solved it. So first I have placed it there, and I also checked that whether all the layers above it are being filled, because if there is only 10 elements, assume in that way, okay, there are only 10 elements and you want to place 9 at its maximum position until where it can go guys. So most of you will be keeping in this one, they will write 8 as the answer, but that's wrong, because in total we are having 10 elements. Okay, so you can go here. Okay, so you can go to this layer and you need to fill this layer, right? Okay, so remember that there should be one element. Okay, you can come here, so you can write 3 here. Okay, so now you are left out with 3 elements. So in total now we are left out with 5 elements. Okay, we need to fill them, right? Sorry, 4 elements, we need to fill them. So 1 2 3 and 4 elements. Okay, so if you assume 9 here, okay, so 4 elements are done. So basically 4 elements are done. So 5, so if you assume 5 6 7, so basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So basically this is also not needed. So it can go up to maximum of 1 2 3. So you can go at max of 3 height only. So even after that you cannot go. Okay, yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So how exactly I'm saying 8 and how I checked the previous cases. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture let us go to the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.